Is your skincare letting you down? Tired of trying product after product that all claim to fix your problems, but never do? Introducing Caviar 3R from Thin Lizzy that's guaranteed to produce results like these. And these, or your money back. The secret is the key ingredient Pentavitin that provides instant deep hydration to the skin. And not only that, it delivers a proven moisture reservoir that lasts up to 72 hours. This intense formula, which is rich in amino acids and bioactive ingredients, was designed to rejuvenate the appearance of the skin for a more youthful and radiant look.
My skin has improved a lot because of the Caviar cream. The texture of my skin is a lot more even now and just a lot more glowy and healthy.
I had noticed only 2 to 3 days in while using the Caviar cream that my skin was looking amazing. The red and the blemishes on my face had gone down a lot. Love the product.
Look at how these amazing amino acids help with redness, imperfections, and even improve skin texture.
The texture of my skin felt differently. It felt significantly softer, to the point even my husband noticed that.
And you'll love the way it instantly melts into your skin, repairing and renewing dry, stressed and fatigued skin, so you always have plumped, hydrated and visibly younger looking skin. Use it on your neck and décolletage, or apply a thicker layer for the perfect 5-minute skin makeover, or overnight mask for those special events.